going to be showing buba and wrapper. Yes, I've already cut my wrapper off camera. I'm sorry for that. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I cut my buba. Watch and learn. Very easy. So the boss I'm going to be working with is 50. The boss is 50. I already fold my buba into 4 plates. Yes, and I'm going to be working with 50. 50 divided by 4. So it will give us 12 and a half. We are going to measure our 12 and a half now on the boss. 12 and a half. Then I will add extra 1 and a half inches. 1 and a half inches for the allowance. So let me measure my boss now. 12 plus the 1 and a half inches. We measure it around the same measurement, both the up and down. Yes. Then we'll come to this side. We measure the same 12 and a half plus 1 and a half inches allowance. So we straighten the line together. Now we now have our measurement. So let's cut. So we don't cut the boss now. We don't cut the buba itself. So we are going to be working with the neck now. Let's cut our neck. Depends on the person when one wear the buba. How the person fat reach or how the person slim reach. So this one I'm going to be taking the depth of the neck. I will take it as 4 and a half. 4 and a half is okay for this one. So let's measure our 4 and a half now. 4 and a half. Then the neck itself, I will be taking the shoulder side with 3 and a half. Or 3 1/4, depends on the person. 3 and a half or 3 1/4 is okay. So let's connect the both sides together as round neck. You must not cut your buba as round neck because this time around a different shape of buba is in. But this one I'm going to be working with round neck. So let's go. I'll connect the both sides. We now have our round neck. Let's cut. So we don't cut our buba neck now. We are through with the neck. So let's open our buba. Let's see how the neck look like. Okay. Can you see that? This is it. Our buba neck. It's round neck. Let me do it like it. You can see it properly. You see that? Okay. Now let's work with the sleeve. We're going to be cutting our sleeve now. So the sleeve length we are going to be working with is 34. The sleeve length is 34. So let's fold our cloth now. It's all 4. The wideness of the hand. The wideness of the hand of the buba depends on the person when they wear the buba. Yes. This one now, not the person way too fat, not the person way too slim. One wear the buba. So the wideness, I'll be taking the wideness of the hand 10 and a half inches. Yeah. Remember the reach. 10 and a half is okay. What the sewing allowance? 10 and a half is okay. Yes, okay. Okay, it's okay now. So the length of the buba now is, the length of the sleeve is 34. Inside that 34, so we minus this place now. Okay, this one is 10 and a half inches. We minus that 1 and a half allowance for the sewing. We will fair hard joint before to sew 1 and a half. We minus and come out. We'll be working with 9 inches. 9 inches now for the main boss for the buba. So we'll minus 9 inches from 34. We minus 9 inches from 34 now. Then let's measure our sleeve length now. Minus 9 inches come out. We'll be working with the remaining part. 34 minus 9 now. 34. Okay. It's okay now. The full buba length now is okay. This one is okay for the sleeve. No extra allowance. So we don't measure now. So I minus the 9 inches come out like this. No need to go and calculate. You remove this one. Then start from this place. Now here. Let me shift so that people will understand. It's okay like this. So you minus this part. Now you start from 9 for the end. Like this. Come measure and reach that 34. Okay. So let's cut our sleeve now. Let's cut. Okay, we now have the two sleeve. This is one and this is the other one, the two. The sleeve is ready and the bust is ready. So this is how we cut our buba. Very easy, guys. So that is it for today. We are done cutting our buba. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys when I'm sewing the buba.